Well, 8 ways to grill chicken, huh?
Yeah.
Here we're talking about direct grilling chicken right over the coals or right over the gas.
Yep.
No safe zone, no 2 zone.
There's no need for it.
Fill the grill with chicken.
Bacon wrapped chicken breast.
So first thing we need is a little bit of duck fat. Makes everything better. Just a little bit. Then I go a little bit of Boar's Night Out. A little B&B chicken scratch. Flip these bad boys over. Repeat. Alrighty. Now we've got some seasoned up chicken breasts. Bring them back over here and start wrapping. Pretty simple technique. Basically you're just wrapping bacon around the chicken breast, 1 strip at a time, using a toothpick to keep it in place. I like to kind of start with the bacon end underneath for a nice presentation, and then I begin my wrap. And once I get to here, take a toothpick, stick it in there, all the way through. Becomes a nice little kickstand, as Brad likes to call it. Depending on the size of the breast, it usually takes 2 or 3 pieces. Looks like these are probably going to be okay with 2. And then again, another toothpick to secure. And we'll finish these with a little seasoning as well. And take your toothpick and you want to get it through each end of the bacon. That's going to help secure it into place. See, it came right up through there. Got some nice thick cut bacon. The thick cut bacon works a lot better when you're doing something like this. That thin cut stuff is just gonna want to basically crisp up and not taste like bacon anymore. I try and find these really long toothpicks. They're a lot easier. The shorter toothpicks, they don't want to go all the way through the entire chicken breast.
You know, you want to use the toothpicks to secure the bacon, and the longer ones, they go all the way through the breast, and they end up acting like these kickstands.
Oh, it's fabulous, because you're going to roll this thing and get every, you'll see
all the sides. Yeah.
The piece of the bacon, when it's not done, you're going to go to that side, but then, and then the toothpicks kind of just help it hold up.
And there we have bacon wrapped chicken breast with a piece of bacon to spare.
Thick cut bacon, right, Mike?
Yep, thick cut bacon.
The toothpicks, you actually want them because they're going to help you in the cook a little bit, as you'll see. And we're going to move it around a lot. We're going to get every inch of this. We'll be able to stand them up. They'll be all, you know, because of the toothpicks, they really help. What do you think, 30-minute cook?
I say we're probably looking at least 30. I don't want to cook them too fast.
Nope, and you're set totally to low. Again, no indirect, just total direct, you know, high heat grilling.
Absolutely.
All right,
Bacon
close her up. Chicken breast.
Cook.
Bacon wrapped chicken breast.
Oh, baby. Oh, look at that.
That's absolutely perfect. That is seared but not charred, baby.
Get that bacon crisped up on all sides.
Now I think what we're doing, we're standing them up, right?
Yep.
Get them
up on the
sideways.
side.
And that's where the rails come in handy. You may want to go north-south. Yep. There you go. Those toothpicks come in real handy doing that too. Let them lean on each other. This is where my sloppy toothpicking comes in handy.
Because you got all these spokes.
Yep, I got all kinds of kickstands here. Looking good. You do the turning, I'll do the temping. Yeah, see, that's perfect. You know what you want to hit. Look at that. 259.
Beauty. That's impressive.
You gotta love that. And I'll tell you, a chicken breast has probably never been more tender.
No.
When you do it with bacon wrap like this.
And bacon makes everything better. Come on.
Absolutely. So this is one that I would suggest to put in your rotation on a regular basis.
Absolutely. It's delicious.